How to delete all Google Photos at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, today I'm going to show you how you can delete all your Google Photos easily. So, what you can do is you can open up your Google Photos. However, you won't find the select all option anywhere. So, what you can do is you can alternatively tap the check mark at top of each day. Like you can just tap on today, yesterday, Monday, and like this, you can just select each day and the month, and then you can tap on delete, and then delete it all at the same time. So there is no easy way to select it all, but the check marks make it a bit easier. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.